Smart shopping on a budget.
Begin by planning your meals for the week. Focus on affordable, nutritious staples like beans, rice, oats, seasonal vegetables, and budget-friendly proteins such as eggs or chicken thighs. Make a clear shopping list and stick to it. Avoid processed foods and opt for store brands when possible. This will stretch your dollars and keep your total under $30 for 7 healthy dinners.
Batch cooking simplified.
Choose recipes that use overlapping ingredients to save both time and money. Prepare large batches of basics like roasted vegetables, whole grains, and beans. Use different spices and sauces to create variety from the same core ingredients. Batch cooking helps reduce waste and lets you assemble meals quickly on busy weeknights.
Balanced nutrient planning.
Each meal should include a balance of protein, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of vegetables. For example, pair brown rice with beans and steamed broccoli, or roasted chicken with sweet potatoes and sautéed greens. Planning for nutritional balance keeps meals filling, satisfying, and supportive of overall wellness.
Avoiding prep burnout.
Keep things simple by limiting the number of different recipes you prepare. 2 or 3 main dishes can be mixed and matched for variety. Use efficient cooking methods like sheet pan roasting or one-pot meals. Prepping these elements in advance cuts stress and makes it easier to stick to healthy eating all week.
Storage and reheating tips.
Store your prepped meals in airtight containers. Refrigerate portions you'll eat within 4 days and freeze the rest to maintain freshness. Reheat meals gently to preserve textures and nutrients. Good storage habits keep your food safe and make healthy choices easier, supporting both your wellness and your budget goals.